How to use ChatGPT to troubleshoot common iMac and MacBook problems. ChatGPT can be used to help troubleshoot common iMac and MacBook problems by providing information and suggestions based on the symptoms you are experiencing. Here are some steps to get started. 1. Identify the problem. Start by identifying the problem you are experiencing with your iMac or MacBook. Common problems may include issues with the display, keyboard, trackpad, battery, or software. 2. Provide ChatGPT with the symptoms. Provide ChatGPT with a description of the symptoms you are experiencing. For example, you might say my iMac won't boot up or my MacBook is running slow. 3. Ask for suggestions and solutions. Ask ChatGPT for suggestions and solutions to help resolve the problem. For example, you might ask, how can I fix an iMac that won't boot up, or what can I do to speed up my MacBook? 4. Follow the recommendations. ChatGPT may provide recommendations on how to troubleshoot and resolve the problem based on the symptoms you described. Follow these recommendations to try to resolve the issue. Some sources for more information on using ChatGPT to troubleshoot common iMac and MacBook problems include Mac Troubleshooting, How to Use the Genius Bar by LifeWire. This article provides an overview of how to troubleshoot common hardware and software problems on Macs, including using the Genius Bar and other resources for assistance. Mac Basics, Using Apple Diagnostics by Apple. This article provides information on how to use Apple Diagnostics to troubleshoot hardware problems on your iMac or MacBook. How to troubleshoot your MacBook and Mac issues by Digital Trends. This article provides a list of common problems with Macs and suggestions for troubleshooting them. I hope this helps you get started with using ChatGPT to troubleshoot common iMac and MacBook problems. However, please note that ChatGPT is a language model and may not be able to provide a guaranteed solution for every problem. It is always recommended to seek professional assistance if you are not confident in your ability to troubleshoot and resolve the issue on your own.